First, ma'am, I cannot comment doon sa ano because we cannot really verify if the good congressman is the one who posted that one. So I cannot comment on that. But you know, it is part uh, ng mission ng Criminal Investigation and Detection Group to file cases, solve cases involving yung great magnitude ng mga cases, such as this one. Let me just emphasize that this is nothing personal. There was a crime committed. It is a violent one. And there are police officers that were injured. There were government properties that was destroyed sa city of Manila. It is being paid by the taxes of the people. So that is the reason na we filed the cases.